Hello guys and welcome. Today we're going to be talking about the Tecno Camon CM. The CM was actually launched early this year, and today's video is going to be about the unboxing of the device and actually you guys seeing what's inside the box and giving my first impression about the device. So if you're just coming to my channel for the very first time and you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button just below the video, like and also share the video. Now let's get into the unboxing. So guys, here is the Tecno Camon CM. Comes in a black box. So let's unbox the device. Looking at the device, I got the champagne gold color. And let me set that aside. Let me see what else is in the box. Here we have the gift box that we normally find in almost all Tecno devices. Comes with a free transparent pouch for your devices. Also that you find document manual for the mobile device and a warranty. Also in the gift box we have the SIM ejector 2 card. That is a 30-month Tecno warranty card. You can see the wall charger head, which is a 3-mount charger. I don't think it's a fast charger. We have the USB cord and then the earpiece that comes with all Tecno devices, just a standard earpiece. Now this is everything I found in the box of the Tecno Camon CM. Picking up the device, I noticed the device is very lightweight, and flipping it to the back, you can see the antenna band. The device comes with a 30 megapixel front and back facing camera, a 4G light, a fingerprint sensor, which is located at the back of the device, and also the 18:9 aspect ratio. Removing the plastic cover, you will see the clean elsewhere display, which is simply beautiful, I must say. Let's take the plastic cover of the back also. The device is very thin and easy to handle. By the way, I have big hands, so that might be the reason. So looking at the device, here we have the 30 megapixel front facing camera and the front flash, and also the flash and the rear camera, the fingerprint sensor. Still looking at the device, on the right side we have the volume button and the power button. We have the speaker, the micro USB port, the mic. We have the SIM and memory card tray. We have the 3.5 mm jack for your earpiece. The Tecno Camon CM comes in a 5.7 inch HD display. Let's set up the device. Setting up the device is actually the same with almost all Android phones, so I'll be skipping this part. Let's run through some of the specifications of the device while setting it up. The device comes with a 16 gig inbuilt memory and a 2 gig RAM with a 1.3 GHz quad-core processor. The phone also operates on a Android 7.0 Nougat, which is a standard for mobile devices now, and a iOS skin from Tecno, not to forget the 3000 mAh battery. Finally done setting up the device. The display of the phone is simply clean and very interactive. I really enjoy operating the device after setting it up. Took some pictures with the camera, which is okay and decent, I must say. The device comes with a 18:9 aspect ratio with a HD Plus display and a screen resolution of 1440 by 720, which makes movie streaming or movie watching actually okay and decent. At least you get the HD quality out of it. The phone comes with a downward facing speaker, but still sounds okay as you can see in the video. And you have to depend on generator. You should also consider this before getting. The weight of the device I noticed is that the device is actually light, very very light. So when you pick it up, it feels like as if you are picking up. Setting up my fingerprint to this fingerprint security was quite easy. I found unlocking the Tecno Camon CM with my finger very efficiently and accurately, as my index finger was able to have contact with the fingerprint sensor without me flipping to look at it. A lot of people are complaining about the device specification because it comes with a 2 gig RAM, a 16 gig inbuilt memory, but that can be as fixed as it has a memory card slot so you can actually increase the memory. But when you consider the price of the device and you getting an edge-to-edge display for 47,000 naira officially from Tecno, because I know other sellers can actually increase the price, but officially it is 47,000 naira from Tecno, you can see that what can you really get for that price? You can't get a 3 gig RAM for that price. You just have to look at the downside. They are just trying to make edge-to-edge display accessible and affordable for everyone who wants to get an edge-to-edge display. So try and overlook the hardware and look at what you're actually getting for a very good price. So that's all I can say about the device, as this is my first impression about it. But I'm going to be using the device for a week or a week plus, then I'll drop a full review about the video. Please kindly comment with what you think about the device and what you think that Tecno should have done to make the device much more better than it is. And I'll be reading your comments. I'll also reply your comments. Please consider to subscribe. Please, I need your subscription. Subscribe, like the video, also share it. Thank you very much.